Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the P0102 code, also known as a mass airflow MOF sensor circuit low input. If you've seen this code pop up, don't worry. In this video, we'll explain what this code means, its common causes, and how you can fix it. What does code P0102 mean? Your MAF sensor is typically installed downstream from your air filter on your air intake tract. It measures both the density and volume of air passing through your intake and into the engine. A P0102 error code means that there's insufficient air traveling through your air filter. Failed or dirty MAF sensor. MAF sensor circuit issue, damaged wires or poor connection. PCM issue. Check engine light illumination. Engine running rough, stalling. Engine hard start or stalling after it starts. First, grab an OBD scanner to confirm the P0102 code, if you don't have one. You can pick one up or visit an auto parts store. Most will scan your car for free. MAP sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAP sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around the wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAP sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicularly to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAP sensor back in the car after it gets dry. After you've gone through each of these steps, reconnect everything and start the car. Use your skin tool to clear the P0102 code and see if it stays off. And that's it. Fixing a P0102 code can be straightforward if it's just a dirty sensor or a loose wire. Hopefully, this guide helps you save a trip to the shop. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to see more DIY car fixes. Thanks for watching.